In this video, I'm going to show you how we can be using the AM Tunnel Lite VPN on Airtel Uganda after purchasing a bundle called Learn from Home bundle. For the first step, you're going to go to Google Play Store as I've shown you. Open the Google Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, type Tunnel Lite VPN. It is this application. Make sure you install it on your mobile device, and after installing it, open it. But before opening it, just first come here. You're going to first buy Learn from Home bundle star 100 hash on Airtel Uganda. That is it. Choose option number 2. After choosing option number 2, choose option number 10 and choose option number 2, and then choose any of those bundles, but I recommend the daily bundle 1 GB for 1500 Uganda shillings. After purchasing that data, now go back to the application you have downloaded, and if you open the application, the AM Tunnel Lite, the first step here, you are going to but it shows some ADs. Look at the adverts. First update the application, and if you finish updating the application, you have these servers. They are ranging from A to A, but make sure your VPN is not in this tab. Make sure you put it in UDP and change it from here to UDP. Make sure it is in UDP. The auto servers, we have many servers and they are all online. They are ranging from global, universe, then to Mars, then world. They are all, but I recommend to leave them in the auto select server. After press the start button, you'll enjoy the free unlimited internet.
Faxo, the everything app, like having Facebook, TikTok.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends.